Let me ask you a question. What did you have today morning for your breakfast?
Egg.
Apple.
Egg,
Bread.
apple, bread,
Coffee.
bread, coffee. Only coffee?
Only coffee. So very hungry.
So sad. Not okay. Bread. Okay. So as Parna was saying, she is feeling hungry because she had only one coffee. So what makes you hungry?
It's the lack of
Food. So you are in urge of having some food in the afternoon. And what is your usual menu in afternoon? Food.
roti.
Roti
And
and
Just
sabji.
roti.
Dal and sabji and salad. Fruit.
What fruit?
Apple.
Apple. Yes?
Same.
Same. So you both share the food. About Santosh?
दाल रोटी चावल सब्जी सैलेड
Salad? क्या salad?
ग्रीन सैलेड
Green salad?
उसमें भी मूली खीरा
Tomato, onion. Okay, good. Good. Ashish?
I have rice and potato.
Rice and potato.
कैट भी जल्दी जल्दी मूव कर सकते हैं, भूख लगी है।
Harinder? Yeah, definitely. Harinder?
दाल रोटी सब्जी and salad.
Okay, now let me ask you a very different question. What is your favorite fruit or vegetable?
Mango.
See, in this everyone should answer. So I'll go one by one. So what is your favorite fruit, vegetable? You need to tell one vegetable and one fruit. Yes?
Favorite fruit is apple. Favorite vegetable is ladyfinger.
Ladies finger, okay.
Lychee and maybe
Lychee and
Vindi.
Vendi, okay.
Fruit is mango and vegetable. Subtle. Sabji.
Everything, okay.
Fruit is apple and in vegetables peas.
Please, okay.
Fruit is orange and vegetable is potato.
Potato.
Fruit is mango and vegetable potato.
Potato, okay.
Sugar cane mushroom.
Sugarcane is your favorite? Fruit. Yeah. Okay. But sugarcane is a fruit.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I don't know.
It's a stem.
Oh.
Now I know.
Okay.
I like apple.
Okay, apple. Okay, yes.
Orange and bitter gourd.
Better God, okay.
Mango and cauliflower.
Okay.
Mushroom and apple.
Mango and lettuce.
Apple and shimla.
Apple and
Shimla. Capsicum.
capsicum. Okay.
Mango and jackfruit.
Okay.
Apple and.
You will have one jackfruit. One fruit.
Not it's in a vegetable form. I like in a vegetable.
Okay.
Apple and.
Ready.
Apple and raw papaya.
Okay.
Yeah. Ladyfinger.
Okay. Good. Good fruits and vegetables you are having and it's highly nutritious. Very good.
And very wrong.
So, so that I can finish my session very soon. Okay. Now, can you imagine and tell me some of the fruits or vegetables which do not have seed? Seeds. Seeds.
Seedless vegetable.
Seedless vegetable and seedless fruit.
Fruits, I
Whatever.
think grapes.
Cabbage.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Grapes do have seeds.
Fruits. I haven't seen. Seedless grapes भी आते हैं. Dates. Seedless dates.
Acha, let me just minimize. See, wait. Tell me one vegetable.
Cabbage.
That does not have
Mutton.
seeds.
Seed.
Potato.
Potato.
Carrot.
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
Peas.
Cabbage.
Peas.
Peas.
Cauliflower.
Radish.
Anything else?
Potato.
Yes?
Potato.
Onion.
Onion. Potato.
Radish.
Radish, agree.
Carrot.
So, now we are going to see a video.
Fruit is banana.
Yes?
Fruit is banana.
Huh? Yes, see?
No, but
Seedless. Seedless.
Right.
banana. There are seeds and that is from the
Like.
Right.
होता है.
The new from seeds. Different plants reproduce in different ways. Ferns, mushrooms, and molds reproduce from tiny seed-like structures called spores. Some plants reproduce from the parts of the parent plant. The multiplication or propagation of plants in which new plants grow from any part of the parent plant is called vegetative propagation. Reproduction from stem. Onion, ginger, and potato are underground stems. Take a potato and observe it. You will find small buds on it. New plants grow from them. Ginger also grows from buds. Onion is a bulb-shaped underground stem. New plants grow from these bulbs. We can reproduce some plants by taking a cutting from them and planting it in the soil. After a few days, this cutting will grow into a new plant. Rose, bougainvillea, and sugarcane can be grown from stem cuttings. Multiplying plants by using roots. Roots of some plants, such as sweet potato, produce new plants. Take a sweet potato. Place it in a glass full of water using toothpicks. Take care that the lowest part of the sweet potato is in water. Now put the glass on a windowsill so that it gets sunlight and fresh air. After a few days, you will see a plant growing out from it. Reproduction from leaves. Look at the leaf. This is the bryophyllum leaf. It has buds along its edges. New plants grow from these buds. Reproduction in plants having weak stems. In strawberry, long stems grow over the soil surface and are called runners. Buds which are present on the stem grow into new plants. Layering. To get a jasmine plant, the nodal branch of the stem is bent so that a part of the stem is buried under the soil. The growing tip remains above the soil surface. After some time,
Okay. Now, can you just recall the video what we saw now? What are the concepts there? Can anyone?
Different types of reproduction.
Different types of reproduction? Okay.
In what? In
Plants.
In plants, okay, fine. Here? Anyone?
Vegetative reproduction.
Vegetative reproduction.
Roots or some.
The new plants arising from cutting. Okay.
Birds.
What was that name of the plant which comes from the cutting?
Rose.
Very good. Very good.
Teachers don't speak. Who? Other teachers are not speaking.
What do you understand the class is doing?
Birds formed in different.
No, they have their roles later. How much?
No, only 8 more minutes.
Fine, fine. Shut up. Yes? Anyone? Harinder? Can you recall the...
The one type was that plants were reproduced by the seeds of the plants.
Here, in this video.
One type of reproduction was
From
through
birds.
the runner strawberry like example.
Okay.
Types of propagation.
Munalika? Anything which comes to your mind from the video?
We also keep in that there are some vegetables which are itself roots, like the sweet potato.
Are itself roots or it has roots? It has roots. Yes?
Types of propagation we have seen there.
It has?
Types of propagation we have seen there in the video.
What is the name of the propagation?
Vegetative.
Vegetative. Very good. Okay. Okay. Anything else? There was a leaf in that video.
Bryophyll.
Bryophyllum. What is the characteristic feature of that leaf?
It grows from the buds on the sides of the leaf.
So, let me ask you a question. If I cut that bryophyllum leaf into two and place it in two different places, will the leaf grow two plants? Two different plants?
Ideally, yes.
Yes? Yes or no? How many yes? How many no?
Proper nutrition.
How many yes? Fantastic. Good. Okay. How many no's?
Maybe more.
How many no? No. So only one no.
Maybe more.
Tell me why.
Because the mid-vein, you will cut from the mid-vein, how would it will go? Because in the leaf there is mid-vein.
Wait, please give me one. So my question is, if I am cutting here,
Yes.
it will not grow. So what we saw in the video, but the leaf structure is not like this, it was given like this. So, and the leaf structure is in such a way that the nodes are here. So if I cut a leaf like this or like this, so it has the capability of growing from this part. So here we were seeing a term called vegetative propagation.
So why it happened? Potato has a capability to do it and not.
Yes, that's what I am saying. So here we saw a term called vegetative. So vegetative propagation or vegetative reproduction. So the term vegetative refers to the parts like root, stem, leaves, not the seed. So any part, any plant which grows from the seed is called sexual reproduction. So making multiple copies, right? Similar to. So any part which grows from the parts like root, stem, leaves is termed as vegetative. These are the vegetative parts of the plant. Okay. Unfortunately, some technical. So no problems.
Yeah.
Very good way to explain this.
Yeah.
Four. Next, and one more thing. So here, now we have seen the examples like potato and vegetables. How come these lower organisms, like single cell organisms, like yeast or mold or fungus, how do they reproduce? Have you seen a bread kept for 2-3 days has some pigmentation over it?
Yes.
So those pigments are called fungus or molds. So, and one more thing, if you just touch the bread and just tilt like this, what will happen? Have you ever tried?
Touch the bread and
You just make
There's a little small powder. It's called
powder form.
Yeah.
It comes like a powder form.
Yes.
Those powders are called spores. And these spores, they are kept in a cover called sporangium. So when you disturb that sporangium, or it has by nature, what it does is the sporangium bursts and the spores are released for the next place for the plant to grow, or the fungus or yeast which can grow individually. So this type of reproduction or the type is called spore formation. Okay, and there is one more or two more things. One is in the multiple, unicellular organisms like Spirogyra. Spirogyra is nothing but a algae, right? It's a lower plant. You cannot see in the main grounds. Maybe it is aquatic. Okay, this Spirogyra has a type of reproduction called fragmentation. Imagine this is Spirogyra. The structure of Spirogyra will be like this. So, and these fragments, it will develop into new plants. So this type of reproduction is called fragmentation. Okay.
Nice.
Very good.
You are fit to be a biology teacher.
Without technology, you are
Yeah.
very
It's
good.
very
So unfortunately, technology did not help me.
But ideally, this is how we should be preparing. That without it, we are still able to deliver.
Yes.
So now it's a question time or quiz time rather.
One more thing, you budding, cuttings, repetition.
Thanks for reminding. There is another unicellular organism called yeast. Have you heard this term yeast?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where it is used?
In curd.
Curd.
Milk.
Milk.
Curd or milk or where? Anything else?
Bread.
Bread? Fine, very good. So there is a very typical type of reproduction in this yeast. So imagine, have you seen the bees? Bee. You are having
Yes.
bees like okay, fine.
You can take this one, yesterday you explained.
Okay. So imagine this one is a yeast. This is yeast, and the type of reproduction found here is, see, this one is yeast. This whole structure. Now what happens is this slowly the structure squeezes and this comes out. It buds out from the original cell. I can say cell, not the plant. So this is a unicellular plant. So it buds out. So this type of reproduction is called budding. Okay. So now we have seen what are the types of asexual reproduction or the vegetative reproduction among the plants. Right? Can you summarize? Anyone tell or anyone can?
Hydra is example of this type of reproduction.
Which one?
Hydra.
Hydra is animal.
Yeah, animal, but it's a
Budding, yes. See, Hydra is somewhat different. Very good question from Santosh. Hydra is an example for budding reproduction, but it won't bud like what this.
But that is unicellular.
Yeah, it's unicellular. But Hydra will not resemble this kind of budding, but it will have an axillary sort of budding from here. It will develop into
From sides.
Actually, here in this type of yeast, once the cell squeezes and immediately the bud removes. But in Hydra, till the full development of the cell, it will remain in the bud, main bud.
Yeah.
Then it detaches. Hydra is a animal, unicellular.
What about mushroom?
It comes in phylum Coelenterata of invertebrates.
What about mushroom?
Mushroom
Is anyone teaching biology before?
oh, my base is branch is biology. Can you have it, please?
Very nice question.
What about mushroom?
A mushroom is similar to what we spoke about yeast, the spores. Whenever the spores just propagate, it will develop into leaf.
Just a point that if you can record a video, if you can record a video, then put it online. You're a very good teacher. Seriously.
Actually, I never read biology, and this is such an interesting lesson, seriously.
Okay. So just quiz time. So anyone can ask.
Next question, please.
ये teacher quiz पूछने के लिए खड़े होते हैं.
So first question is stem cutting are more suitable for what?
Can you recall the video?
Rose.
Rose.
Sugar cane.
Good.
Right.
Very good.
Next. Sweet potato is the dash of the plant.
No.
How many of you?
No.
Stem.
Yes. Stem.
See, there are several modifications. There are several modifications like root modifications, stem modifications. As Aparna's favorite, what he said? Radish, carrot, beetroot, all comes under root modification. Ginger, potato, all these onion comes under stem modification.
One more feedback, Pastor. My assumption is that I'm a class 6 student. I don't know what stem and root. So can you?
Yeah.
Because
now you are in class 7.
Yes.
In class 6, what you have studied already is the parts of the plant. So what are found above the ground and what are the parts found below the ground. So the parts which are found above the ground are stem,
Branches,
leaves, flowers, fruits. And below the ground?
Roots.
Do you know how many types of roots are there?
Taproot.
Good, very good.
fibrous root.
Fantastic. Taproot and fibrous root. Can you define the structure of a taproot and fibrous root? I'll just draw an example. What is the type of root here?
Taproot.
And what will be the structure of fibrous root?
Very branchable branch.
Fibrous root. Okay.
So next question is, ferns reproduce through what?
So please think of the ferns.